Water is the basis of life in any part of the universe, so potentially inhabited planets must have liquid water on them to support life. An incredible number of circumstances must come together for this. The planet must be in the habitable zone of the star, then the temperature and atmospheric pressure on the planet's surface will be suitable for simple life forms to begin to evolve. Welcome to the channel of Cloud Boss. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay notified. For centuries, we Earthlings have dreamed of learning about cultures and civilizations from other planets, ever since astronomers discovered that the light phenomenon in the sky are stars and planets. Speculation arose in recent years. Thanks to modern technology, astronomers have been able to go searching in the other solar systems. This video showcases 5 planets on which there could be life according to NASA. TRAPPIST-1e. In the constellation of Aquarius is the star TRAPPIST-1. It is orbited by several exoplanets, of which TRAPPIST-1e planet with an Earth similarity index was 0.85 at 0.92 Earth radii, is only slightly smaller than Earth at 1 of 0.62, it has a slightly lower density. Its distance to Earth is about 40 light-years. The comparatively small planet was discovered only with use of a special telescope. The Spitzer Space Telescope detects planets outside the solar system by the so-called transit method, where the planet become visible from Earth as tiny dark dots in front of their stars when they are in transit. TRAPPIST-1e may be covered by oceans, however it most likely has a bound rotation, which means that it always shows the same side to its star, thus one half is thought to be cold and dark and the other warm and bright. Researchers are of course eager to find out soon whether organic life is possible under these conditions. Kepler 442b. The planet Kepler 442b, 1,200 light-years away, was discovered in 2015 and subsequently observed intensively. Kepler 442b is about 33% larger than Earth and is at an optimal distance from its star. Most likely, this exoplanet in the constellation Lyra is a rocky planet. In 2021, a team of researchers announced that Kepler 442b is very likely a rocky planet and has a biosphere, similar to ours. This adds another candidate to the list of best prospects for the ultimate discovery of extraterrestrial life. Next on the list, we have Proxima Centauri B. Just 4.2 light-years from us in the constellation Centaur, the exoplanet Proxima Centauri B is considered not only our closest Earth-like neighbor, but also a promising candidate for the discovery of life. The planet's existence was detected in August 2016 using the radial velocity method. Later, researchers used model calculations to find that liquid water could exist on Proxima Centauri B, the basic requirement for Earth-like life. Astronomers evaluate Earth-like planets according to a certain system and then give them an Earth similarity reading. The value, called the Earth Similarity Index, is 0.87 for Proxima Centauri B, so only 0.13 points are missing to be absolutely Earth-identical. Lyden B is sometimes called Gliese 273b in the catalogs. This Earth-like planet is most likely a rocky planet. It orbits the red dwarf Lyden star within the habitable zone. This means it's close enough to its star to get enough light and heat, but far enough away to allow vegetation and life at only 12.2 light-years away. Lyden B is one of the most Earth-like planet ever found, making it the 5th closest potential habitable known exoplanet. For this reason, the SETI project staff sent the signal to it in 2017. SETI stands for Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence. This special unit of astronomers is dedicated to sending signals to the nearest Earth-like planets. The signal will travel a little more than 12 years. If possible inhabitants of Lyden be answered, it would take at least another 12 years for it to reach us. Of course, it's also conceivable with all exoplanets that they are inhabited by living beings without higher technical development and can neither receive the signal nor answer it. Teegarden B. The star with a beautiful name, Teegarden, is one of our nearest neighbors within the Milky Way. Astronomers have detected over 4,000 exoplanets in the galaxy so far, and the number of Earth-like planets among them is steadily increasing. for some researchers, it's virtually certain that at least a few of these planets harbor life. Others, however, are skeptical. Lyden B, at a distance of only 12.5 light-years, would again be a candidate that could be reached by radio signals and perhaps by a probe at some future point in time. So far, all statements regarding the exoplanets are based on preliminary calculations and observations around Lyden. There are 4 more exoplanets that might also be habitable. They are all in the habitable zone of their star system. The planets Lyden B and C, similar in size and orbit, even to the inner planets in our solar system. They are only slightly heavier than Earth, and water may exist in liquid form on both. Since an international team of astronomers announced the discovery of Lyden exoplanets in 2019, international interest has been directed towards the system together. NASA and other space agencies are considering how we can better study exoplanets today to find out more about their makeup and any civilizations that may live there. Want to learn more about the exciting discoveries in the cosmos on a regular basis? Then remember to subscribe to Clout Boss and click on the bell to never miss one of our videos in the future. Feel free to show us with a thumbs up that we can keep you engaged with the content of our post.